That's right. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 are now available for pre-order. These two foldable phones offer the best of both worlds, with a stylish and compact design for the Flip 5 and a powerful and versatile device for the Fold 5. Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the perfect phone for those who want a stylish and compact device that can still do it all. With its sleek design and powerful features, the Z Flip 5 is sure to turn heads. Foldable design that makes it easy to carry around in your pocket or purse. Large 6.7-inch display that's perfect for watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor that can handle even the most demanding tasks. Long-lasting battery that will keep you going all day long. Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the ultimate productivity powerhouse. With its large 7.6-inch display, you can work, play, and create like never before. Foldable design that lets you use it as a phone or a tablet. Large 7.6-inch display that's perfect for multitasking. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor that can handle even the most demanding tasks. S-Pen support for even more productivity. Pre-order now to get exclusive offers. Pre-ordering your Galaxy Z Flip 5 or Galaxy Z Fold 5 now will get you exclusive offers, such as free Galaxy Watch for up to $200 credit towards accessories, early access to new software updates. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Pre-order your Galaxy Z Flip 5 or Galaxy Z Fold 5 today. Visit the Samsung website to learn more and pre-order yours today.